Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trade that I took today with all my students. I've shared this one only with my students. I'm sorry I didn't share this one for free, my free Telegram channel, because I was on the road, on the phone. I was buying a new bike, and on the way in the car I was trading. I couldn't share a screenshot, stuff like that, so I just shared this one with my students. Yeah, we took a sell on Nasdaq today, even if this thing was pushing up like all the last days. It was flying. I took a sell on Nasdaq today. I already banked like around 45k, which is 4.5% today, and I still have like 10%, something like 10% of my remaining position still in the game, looking for maybe a deeper drop to maybe 14,000 back. Like last week the market was pushing like crazy. On Friday, man, this thing was just flying, never came back. Then yesterday was bank holidays, we had the Memorial Day, market was not moving at all, and then today I was able to bank a quick nice short position on Nasdaq. And I'm going to talk about today why I took the trade. So yeah, overall for this year, man, I'm heavy in profit. I will put the results here on the right side of the screen. You can check it out. This year is beautiful so far. I'm so blessed. Like, we banked so much money. Like, I already more than doubled my account. I think I'm up more than nearly 140% or something. And yeah, it's beautiful. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. So let's get into the charts. Let me show you the trade from today. Check this out. We are on the 1 hour time frame right now. My last trade was last week in here. Man, if I would have held that thing through Thursday and Friday, man, I would have probably doubled my account again. But man, you never know when these home runs happen. So yeah, it's not part of my strategy. Anyways, it would have been a lovely, 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 lovely trade. But yeah, let's talk about today's trade. Okay, let me go to the 50-minute time frame real quick. So yesterday was holiday, market was consolidating, doing nothing really. And then today, before the New York session started, the market was pushing up, pretty beautiful, continued that upward movement. But I was not sure about that. I was thinking like maybe it will keep running up, but I thought like, nah, before this thing continue to move up this week, we need at least a little pullback to get some sellers into the market before the next bigger move to the upside can happen. And so I was pretty sure that we see a pullback early this week and maybe see some more bullish pressure over Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's see. But for today I expected a little pullback, and I took profits pretty quick because the trade was against the trend, against the overall trend, which doesn't mean that I cannot trade against the overall direction, because yeah, I saw that market, I felt the market wants to pull back a little bit, so I took my shot, took my chance. It was a beautiful, I think a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio where I took like 90% off the table, and I still have some running for lower lows. Let's see if the market will keep dropping before we see some more bullish pressure at the end of the week. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. So I'll show you what I saw at around 9:30. The market opened. The New York Stock Exchange opened somewhere in here. Yeah. Market came down, pushed up, grabbed some liquidity, tricked a lot of early birds buying this thing, and yeah, when it came down and it broke structure in here, I was on the sell button because I expected the market to get at least Like really my target was to see this thing go below yesterday's low, to hit like maybe 14,300 or something. But the first easiest target for me was the 14,400 psychological level, which is this one over here, somewhere in here. And this is where I took like 90% of my position off the table, bank profits. This was a really quick trade, guys. I think this trade was like from 46, yeah, around 10 minutes, guys. This trade took me around 10 minutes. I made 45k, which is 4.5%. And yeah, I'm still holding this thing, and I feel like this wants to keep pushing down. And yeah, we'll just let it run, see what we got. My stop is at break even, guys, so I have no risk involved here anymore. But if we can see some more downward movement in here, I mean, we on the 1 hour time frame, we still have, like, from Friday, we still have a lot of imbalance that needs to get filled somewhere in here. Maybe it will pull back. Maybe it will pull back all the way down to the 14,000 level. This would be crazy. If I'm in this trade and I'm gonna hold this through here, man, maybe I'm gonna make another 40k on this last 10% of my position. Let's see. We're gonna see. We still have some downward potential before the market yeah, can continue to fly. Let's see what was going to happen. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. I'm sorry if you've missed out on that trade. If you're just in the free Telegram channel, maybe I'm going to share my next trade with you. Have some patience. I will let you know, guys. Check the links in the description down below. Join my free Telegram channel, and if you need my help, if you want my advice, drop me private message in Telegram as well. But please only use the links in the description, okay? So that's it for today. We had a beautiful start in the week. Let's see if it continues like that. I'll keep you updated, and I wish you a profitable trading week, guys. Hope you're all healthy and wealthy, and yeah, take care, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace. What you know.